Enjoying the story? Subscribe to Samir Daily English. Turn on the bell icon for more slow English stories.
No! Please stop! My family is still inside that train! No! Please don't fall! Please stop!
This damage costs $500. Somebody will pay today.
Today will be amazing because Grandpa's birthday is finally here.
This watch is special because Grandpa gave it to me.
Stay together, everyone. We don't want any travel problems.
This train ride will be beautiful and relaxing for everyone. No matter what happens, I will always stay beside you.
That station looks really small compared to the others.
This train will stop here for
Approximately 10 minutes today. I'll grab some snacks and water before we continue.
Sarah, please don't waste time. This train won't wait.
Relax, David. I'll be back before it starts moving. Oh, great. This line is much longer than I expected. This line isn't moving. I'm running out of time already.
I knew this would happen. She stayed outside too long.
Dad, Mom still hasn't come back to the train yet.
She should already be back. We don't have time anymore.
Oh no! There's almost no time left before departure! Please don't leave yet. I'm almost back at the train.
Dad, the doors are closing!
Sarah, I warned you! This train won't wait for anyone!
I'm almost there! Please don't leave yet!
Dad! Mom is still outside. She's running after us.
No! Please stop! My family is still inside that train! Oh God, I missed the train and lost my family.
This never should have happened. I warned her many times.
I can't believe this happened. They must be terrified now. Please answer, David. Please answer your phone right now.
Sarah! Where are you? Why didn't you come back sooner?
The line was too long. I tried running back immediately.
Now we're separated because nobody listened to simple instructions.
There's another train leaving soon. You can reach them safely.
Mom! I was so scared. I thought we lost you forever.
I'm sorry, everyone. I never wanted this to happen.
We were lucky today. Next time, listen to me immediately.
This time, I'm never letting go of your hand.
We finally made it! Grandpa's birthday starts today!
My favorite family is finally here! Welcome, everybody!
Wow, Wow, this place looks even better than the pictures. I've never seen something this beautiful before in person.
Noah! Stay away from that display. It's probably expensive.
Okay, Dad, I'll be careful. I promise. Oh no! I think I just touched that display. No! Please don't fall! Ah, please stop! I didn't mean to do it. I'm so sorry.
Noah! I told you not to go near that display!
It was me, sir. I made a terrible mistake.
Sorry will not fix this! Look what you destroyed today!
Please calm down. He made a mistake, not a crime.
This damage cost $500! Somebody will pay today!
$100? We don't have that kind of money.
We don't have enough money to pay that much today.
Then you should have been more careful around expensive property!
This happened because of me. I need to fix it.
Noah, we'll solve this together. You're not alone.
I think I know how to help my family now. This watch means everything to me, but family matters more.
The penalty is canceled. Let's celebrate the birthday together. Let's celebrate together and make this a special day. Thank you all for coming. This means so much to me. This is one of the happiest birthdays of my life.
Grandpa looks happier than I've ever seen before.
That rain started much faster than I expected.
Can we still eat the cake?
Our special birthday light show is starting outside now.
Everyone stay together. There are many people here tonight.
Wait, where's Emma? Wasn't she standing right here? Noah, is Emma with you right now?
No, I thought she was standing beside you.
What do you mean she's not with either of you? How did nobody notice? We already lost someone once before!
Mom? Dad? Where are you? I can't see anyone.
Emma! Answer me right now if you can hear me!
Emma! I just want my family. I don't want to be alone.
Don't worry. We'll help you find your family quickly.
We were so worried. Never walk away alone again.
I'm sorry, Mom. I should have stayed with everyone.
Crowded places can be dangerous. Families must stay together.
Next time, I'll stay beside you and help you.
Welcome back, everyone. Let's finish this special birthday together. Now everyone is safe. That's the best birthday gift.
Today taught me a very important lesson.
Family is worth more than any expensive thing.
We made mistakes today, but we learned together.
Stay together, help each other, and never stop being honest.
Because family is the most important thing of all.